What's up guys, and it's time to do speed test comparison between the Realme 7 Pro and the Apple iPhone 8 Plus. In this video we are gonna find out which is faster and which one you should buy especially for gaming between the Realme 7 Pro and the iPhone 8 Plus, as the Realme 7 Pro is the lightest mid-range smartphone which have got attractive and beautiful design. So in this video we are gonna see is the Realme 7 Pro gonna beat the old flagship smartphone from the Apple or not. So without any further ado, let's get into it. As always, kicking things off with a boot up test, and 3, 2, 1. Now it's going to be a top speed test for the Realme 7 because the Apple iPhone 8 Plus is a flagship one. Let's talk about some basic specifications. So on the Realme 7 Pro we have got Snapdragon 720G chipset and 8 gigs of RAM. And so let's see who is going to be the winner of this race. Well, the iPhone 8 Plus has started up and the Realme 7 Pro is still taking some time. Though the iPhone 8 Plus is almost 2-year-old, but still it has won the first boot up test and it's quite disappointing. Well, the Realme 7 Pro has started up and I think it was around 6-second difference in a first boot up test, which is a huge difference. Now you guys can see I have installed nearly the same applications and I am gonna try these apps one by one on both of them. So let's see how the Realme 7 Pro gonna perform against the iPhone 8 Plus in these applications. Well, before starting the speed test, you guys can see both of them have got the same Wi-Fi connection and also everything is completely turned off. So starting from some light applications, and the first one is going to be phone dialer. Well, you can see it was a bit faster on the iPhone 8 Plus. Messages, and it was about the same. Camera, well, you can see this one goes to the iPhone 8 Plus once again. Now coming to the third-party applications to see the real difference between the Realme 7 Pro and the Apple iPhone 8 Plus. So guys, it was a gaming application test between the Realme 7 Pro and the Apple iPhone 8 Plus. Now as always, the last one is going to be RAM management because that is also very important for some users. And after this we will talk about which is best and which one you should buy. So stay tuned. Welcome back guys. So it was a speed test comparison and RAM management test between the Realme 7 Pro and the Apple iPhone 8 Plus, and as you guys saw here the gaming performance of both of them. The iPhone 8 Plus is almost 2-year-old, but still it was just killing the Realme 7 Pro in every single application because it is a flagship one from the Apple. So if you are using the Apple iPhone 8 Plus and you are thinking to upgrade to the Realme 7 Pro for better gaming experience, you should just keep that thought because everything is in front of you. But there is one benefit on the Realme 7 Pro, which is that on the Realme 7 Pro you can play heavier games up to 6 to 7 hours on a single charge, while on the iPhone 8 Plus you can play only 3 to 4 hours on a single charge. So if you are facing the battery problems on the iPhone 8, then you should definitely go for the Realme 7 Pro because you can play up to 6 to 7 hours on a single charge on the Realme 7 Pro. Okay guys, it was all from us for today. Make sure to subscribe our channel for daily tech videos. Thanks for watching us and we'll see you in my next video.